What does $1.7 million get you in Summerlin in 2026? Let's take a look. This is actually Summerlin North, so you're about 10 minutes to Downtown Summerlin, Red Rock Casino, 10 minutes to Palo Verde High School and Becker Middle School. This is a nice single-story home. It's right under 3,000 square feet, and most importantly, it's got a wide open floor plan. Here's the question: does nearly $2 million get you a strip view in Summerlin? So the answer is yes, you can get a strip view. It's got some very nice finishes, very nice like waterfall, like granite kitchen. I like this little L shape. Done some nice upgrades here. They put the wood panels on the ceiling in here. Gives it a really nice effect. There are skylights in here, which I also like. This is like a 10-foot ceiling in here in the kitchen, but when you come into the living room space, it's closer to like 15 feet high too. And you have that in the office and den as well too. So it makes it a really large space. This house is listed at $1.695. So if you put 20% down on this one, your principal and interest payment is about $8,100. And I'm not sure what market you're coming from, but does under $2 million get you a house like this, say in California or the Bay Area or something like that? I'm guessing not. Property taxes on this one is only $5,400 for almost $2 million. Property taxes are a big savings here in the state of Nevada. And let's not forget to mention the income taxes too. There are none here in Nevada. You can wake up, you have a nice bay window, and you have a strip view that you can look at from your master bedroom. So let's come take a look back here. This bathroom has also been renovated. Got a nice shower and soaking tub enclosure. I quite like it, and there's a big walk-in closet just right in the bathroom. So if you're looking for something in Summerlin under $2 million and you want to check out homes like this, reach out to the number on the screen or go to jimmyfong.com and schedule a free consultation. Be sure to like and subscribe and share this video with somebody that you know that is considering buying a home in Summerlin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.